Hello and welcome to the daily message on this feast of the solemnity of the Lord Jesus Christ, King of the universe. At first glance, it seems really odd to think about Jesus as king. The very term king sounds archaic in the 21st century. When we think of kings, we either think of power, of royalty, of regal stature, of wealth. The image of king is even kind of a sexist image. So rather than think of Christ as king with crowns and thrones and all of that kind of thing, I invite you to reflect on this image that's pictured here on the screen. This is the image of Christ as King that I think is more important and more relevant. This is Christ the King who humbled himself to be of service to others. This picture, of course, is that of Jesus washing the feet of his apostles at the Last Supper. This is the image of kingship that Jesus wished to convey to us, that we as Christians can imitate his example of service, not seeking adulation, not seeking power, not seeking wealth or affirmation by the masses, if you will, but simply serving those in need to the best of our ability. That is how we can imitate the kingship of Christ. Thank you once again for watching.